Hello everyone, I am Digvijay Mane and my teammate is Omkar Pawar and Vaibhav Zine. Today we will present video on the topic DApp making and our topic name is Certificate Distribution System, which is the under the subject Smart Contract and Solidity. So for that we have to first set up the development environment. So for that we have to install the tools. Which tools? First we have to install node.js and npm. After we have to install Truffle Suite for smart contract management. Then we have to install Ganache to simulate an Ethereum blockchain locally. Then we have to install MetaMask, which is downloaded the MetaMask browser extension for interacting with the Ethereum blockchain. After that we have to create the smart contract by creating new folder of our project, and we initialize the truffle by truffle init command. After that we have to write the smart contract code in Solidity, and then in the contracts folder with the extension .sol. After creating the Solidity code, we have to compile and deploy it in our contract. So for the compilation, we have to use command truffle compile, and we have to set up develop deployment in migration folder with .js file. After these steps, we have to build the front end. For the front end, we will use the React or HTML or JavaScript for the front end, and install Wave 3.js for blockchain interaction, which is the our backend. So this is our front end of e-certificate distribution. As we say, the connected account. This account is our account of after the deployment of our contract. You are the contract owner indicates that we have the contract owner, so unauthorized access will be stopped. In the issue certificate field, we have to see recipient name, course name, and issuer name. And after we issue certificate, the transaction will generate first. So the information about the issuer will be recorded on the blockchain. After that, we have to see the search certificate field. In that, we have to enter the certificate ID or certificate name. After that, we have to get details. Then once again the transaction will be done. And after the authorized user field, we have to enter the address which is connected to our MetaMask. So we have to authorize the certificate. So this slide shows the MetaMask connection. We have to connect with MetaMask message. We have to see here. Also, we have to see the account first with their account address with 1.35 Sepolia Ether. So the user interface allows for issuing certificates, searching for certificates, and authorizing entities to issue certificate. The integration with MetaMask suggests that this certificate might be stored or managed on a blockchain. After confirming and after filling the all drop-down boxes, we have to message that our certificate is recorded successfully. Now this slide shows the transaction involved the creation of a new smart contract named e-certificate distribution on the Ethereum blockchain. The transaction was successful and has been recorded on the blockchain, confirming the creation of the contract. So here we have to see contract address and ABI with red box. This address and ABI we have to need for the further process of e-certificate distribution. So here we have to see app.css. The deployed contract address we have to paste here, and the deployed contract API we have to paste here. So our e-certificate distribution system will be performed correctly. So we have to see package.json file, the ethers and react domain we have to see here. The purpose of ethers is a JavaScript library that allows developers to interact with the Ethereum blockchain, and the purpose of React DOM, which is also a library that renders React components within a web browser.
Contract owner. The contract owner is the individual or entity that deploy the smart contract to the blockchain authorization. In order to issue certificates, the issuer must be authorized by the contract owner. Account address. The account address in the authorized issuer section is the address of the contract owner's account. The account address in the authorized user section is the address of the contract owner, which is the address that needs to be authorized to issue certificates. After clicking confirm button, the user approves the transaction for issuing a certificate using the MetaMask wallet. This transaction sends a request to a smart contract that is responsible for issuing certificates. The smart contracts will then issue a certificate with the specified details. The issued certificate will be registered in the blockchain. The user will receive a confirmation of the successful transaction. Localhost 3000 says provider 0C8207138FC2ADB4BC8AC9AF2771CEDB has been authorized successfully. The message also implies that the user is connected to an account. Purpose of issue certificate. First one is verification. The button is crucial for creating a digital certificate that can be used to verify authenticity and digital and identity of an individual, organization, and a website. Second one is security. Certificates are essential for secure communication and data protection, particularly in online environments. Third one is trust. Issuing a certificate establishes trust between the user and the recipient. Certificate issued. The user receive a notification indicating that certificate has been issued successfully. If you want to get the details of the issued certificate, then we can check here to get details of existing certificate. Thank you.